Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I am spring cleaning my dining room. This is my formal dining room. There's not a lot of stuff to do here, as you can see, but it does need to get cleaned, especially the stuff in the hutch. I like to once a year take it all out and wipe it down with the damp cloth and just clean the glass with the glass cleaner and then put everything back. It just refreshes everything. It's not really dusty because it's closed, but that's why I only do it once a year. Then I also have to go through the cabinets at the bottom and over here with this one, just get it spring clean. You'd be surprised what I find in. So I use the standard cleaning product method glass cleaner, some microfiber cloths. I have a wood polisher from a method as well, and that's it. Oh, and I already took the curtains and put them to wash. I did that with the living room curtains. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna put the music on and hope you guys enjoy the cleaning video. Just wanted to show you that it's not too dusty. I don't know if you can actually see this way. No, not overly dusty at all. And this is all the stuff that was in it. The fine china, if you watch my channel, I had mentioned before, it was a wedding gift from my husband's grandmother. So it's pretty special to us since she's no longer with us. And it is a bit more of an expensive china, so I don't actually use it. It's by Mikasa, fine china, and it's in Palatia Platinum. I don't even know whether they sell that anymore. And then these snow babies. So I have been doing home daycare. It'll be 21 years this year. And my very first child that I have babysat, she was 6 months at the time, and I've had her for 12 years, and every year she had purchased for Christmas one of the snow babies, so I think that's very special. I think the big one my husband added to the collection, but I think the rest of them had come from her and her sister later. And then I also keep just a few things that my kids have made me for Mother's Day here when they were little. This little thing was from our wedding. It's a bomboniera that we gave all our guests, all the female guests that came to the wedding a long time ago. But that was the only thing that I kept. We also gave away centerpieces from the shower in the wedding, but I only kept that. And then, funny thing, so if you watched my mug collection video, you know I collect mugs, but my husband collects shot glasses, or as Disney calls them, toothpick holders. But these are pretty much from many places that we have visited and from some of the resorts we had stayed in Disney World. So we stayed at Coronado, there's All Star, there's Pop. And then we also have this one, which is Winter is Coming, because last year we did visit King's Landing, or that's what I think most of you will know it by, but it's actually Dubrovnik in Croatia. So we picked that up. There was a store that you could sit on the Iron Throne, and I have a picture. I can insert it here. And you had to buy something in order to sit on it, so this is what we picked up. And then we just have Castaway from Disney Cruise, and then There's Aruba, Bahamas, not Aruba, never been to Aruba. It's St. John's, and then St. Thomas, just some cruise spots that we stopped at because we do like to cruise. So I think that's it. It's sleep time right now and you can hear one of the kids coughing. So I'm going to get this cleaned up and I'm going to put everything back in.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
Apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right. But somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right. But somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right. But somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with you.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this gave you some motivation to get your spring cleaning done. I know some of you are already done. We are still not fully into the spring yet here in Ontario, Canada, but it's slowly getting there. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.